Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to work on the ET-2550. This is an early version of Epson EcoTank, and this one have a 0x F1 error.
Hey guys, it's Abby here. So the first thing we need to do is work on this side cover. There's two tabs on the bottom. If you push those tabs in, pull that side cover off, it should come off pretty easily. Here's where our problem is. We have this disc and this FFC cable that runs along the top, and it should go into this sensor where that end of the FFC cable comes out, but ours here on this printer was disconnected, so that's where our error, our F1 error, was coming up. So here I need to plug it back into that sensor where I was just pointing with the dentist tool. It's a little difficult just because your fingers are so big, but eventually I did get it back in there. So I'm showing you that pathway from the FFC cable to the sensor. So I'll plug it back in and power it on. It fixed this error. I did get another error, but congratulations on that. We got the first one fixed. Happy printing. Yay.